This is John Reed. John wore traditional dentures and longed to go back to the time when he had his own natural teeth firmly fixed in place. I guess it's safe to say anyone who wears dentures feels the same.
That's really true. We have two exciting techniques where we can really get patients back very quickly to implant-supported bridges that are totally permanent and look just like real teeth. The most affordable way, it just really has been out for about a year, it's called All-on-4. What's exciting about that technique is that when we normally do an implant-supported bridge that doesn't come out of the mouth, it usually takes around 8 implants, sometimes 10 implants. With this new technique, they found out if you place the implants at certain angles, you can get by with 4 implants because they're specially designed implants that are a lot stronger. What's also nice about this technique is that with the new generation of implants, instead of waiting on the top arch, for example, it used to take 7 months for the bone to fuse to the implants, and it used to take 4 months on the bottom. So what's nice now with these implants, they're so strong, we can actually hook the restoration to them the same day we place the implants. So on this technique, on All-on-4, it saves usually about 4 implants, which reduces the fee by about a half. And we can also generally have this restoration done in about 9 days to 14 days. Until just about the last year, when we would do a fixed bridge, it would take us anywhere from a minimum of 6 months to a year, and it would take almost double the amount of implants. And now with this technique, we can basically use about half the amount of implants, and we can have you in a fixed bridge in about 2 weeks. It's a very exciting time in implant dentistry.
John knew he'd taken a step in the right direction when he showed up for his initial visit.
And he said, "We do it all right here." And then I felt really comfortable, and the more I talked to him, the more I felt comfortable with him, and it really paid off because he went that extra mile. He spent all the extra time.
John took advantage of innovations offered by David & Associates that have opened the door to the amazing All-on-4 procedure. He says he's a lot happier now.
I'm able to eat foods that normally I couldn't eat. Reflects on your whole attitude and personality, sense of humor, everything. You know, I feel like a changed new person.
And talk about positive patient feedback.
Well, you know, first patients are telling me they just couldn't believe that they could actually go from a denture to a fixed restoration in 2 weeks. So that's what's been pretty amazing. And then the feedback, literally like 2 or 3 days as I'm doing post-op visits on the patient, is that, you know, they're eating with this restoration and they have a fixed restoration just like their natural teeth that doesn't move. I mean, you can eat corn on the cob, ribs, steak, and you can eat this where literally a week ago or 2 weeks ago, you literally couldn't eat this kind of food. That's what's amazing. That's what they're telling me.
John likes to tell people about his new life and his experience at David & Associates.
When Dr. David comes in, you know, it's like you're really not at the dentist office. You know, you're sort of like sitting in a chair at the house, and real pleased with everything. It's unlike any dentist office I've ever been to.